InceptMVP created a Proptech app for a client using Bubble.io. The client wanted features like virtual tours, videos, and floor plans, so InceptMVP integrated Floorfy with the app to deliver these capabilities. This integration showcases the flexibility of the Bubble.io platform and how external tools can be easily integrated to its apps. Let's take a look at Floorfy, a Proptech tool that offers a range of features for the real estate industry. The tool uses advanced technology to help real estate professionals showcase properties in an immersive and engaging way, making it easier for potential buyers or renters to visualize the space. Now, let's take a closer look at the Proptech app built in Bubble.io that was integrated with Floorfy. With Floorfy seamlessly integrated, the app can now use 3D images as input to create immersive virtual tours, professional-grade videos, and detailed floor plans. This integration has made it incredibly easy for real estate professionals to showcase their properties and make them more engaging for potential buyers. Floorfy has provided all of these features by simply using 3D property images as input. All the images given to Floorfy as input hit the Floorfy API and produce a video, guided virtual tour and floor plans of the property. Let's view the interior video of this property. This whole video is created by Floorfy from the inputted 3D images. Click here to take a virtual tour of this property. Take a guided virtual tour by clicking on the designated circles. Here you can see the 3D model of the whole building. Now click here to generate a floor plan.